Can you tell me what is asset monetization pipeline?
Recently, the government of India has launched the National Monetization Pipeline (NMP). The NMP estimate aggregate monetization potential of 6 lakh crore through core assets of the central government over a 4-year period from FY 2022 to FY 2025. Asset monetization is the process of creating new source of revenue for the government and its entities by unlocking the economic value of unutilized or underutilized public assets. A public assets can be any property owned by a public body: roads, airports, railways, stations, pipelines, mobile towers, transmission. It is a temporarily giving them out to provide corporations so that they can better management them.
Can you think of any other sectors where private participation is helping increase the efficiency?
Ma'am, sectors like health sectors and even the agriculture sectors, private participations can help where it is already proven that it is helping the efficiency.
What is the status of financial inclusion in our country?
India's financial inclusion index has improved to 56.4 from 53.9 in the previous year 2021. Financial inclusion is defined as the process of ensuring access to financial service and timely and adequate credit where needed by vulnerable groups such as weaker sections and low income group at an affordable cost.
Why are we so poor in financial inclusion?
Lack of enough bank branches in rural areas, a lot of hidden bank charges have demotivated poor person. Lack of credible, low cost and high quality financial advice. Most women are being excluded from the formal financial system.
Mobile penetration is very high.
Yes, ma'am.
So mobile banking can be done.
Yes, ma'am. Digital connectivity is also an issue. Along with the broadband is not there in many rural area. Still no, ma'am.
What is your idea of feminism? What is your idea of feminism?
Core feminism promotes that the belief that individuals should not be disadvantaged or discriminated against based on their gender. Historically, women have faced systematic oppression, discrimination, and limited opportunities compared to men.
Some people look at the word feminist as a negative word. Why?
Feminism seeks to address these issues by striving for gender equality.
Let's say you become what you want to become and you're posted somewhere. It's your first day of office and someone tells you that people here don't show up in time. 15 days pass by and the pattern is same. People are not turning up in time. What will you do?
Thank you.
All right, you're from Delhi. What do you like about Delhi?
I like the culture of Delhi. Delhi is a melting pot of cultures. People from all over India and the world come to Delhi, making a cosmopolitan city. I like Delhi street food, from spicy chaats and kebabs to delicious biryanis and sweets. Third one, like historical landmarks including the Red Forts, Qutub Minar, India Gate, Kalka and Lotus Temple. Fourth one, like Delhi, bustling street markets like Chandni Chowk and Sarojini Nagar to modern shopping mall.
These days we see a trend of bulldozer action in Uttar Pradesh specifically. What is your opinion on the same?
I believe that any action taken by the state within the legal preview is right. But in general, we should wait for the judiciary to decide if a person is guilty or not. If the person is guilty, every action should be taken against he has committed. But if he is not, I would believe that we should wait for a while before giving our judgment.
But they know it themselves also, don't they? They don't want to come in time because it's a Sarkari office. People are laid back. Okay, can you tell me historical significance of Alwar? You're from Alwar.
Today, Alwar is a popular tourist destination due to its historical monuments, palaces, forts, and natural beauty. Tourism plays a significant role in the city's economy, attracting visitors from around the world. Saraska Tiger Reserve, also located in Alwar. Alwar actively participated in the Indian Rebellion of 1857 against British colonial rule. In ancient times, Alwar was known as Matsya Kingdom.
This conversation with you telling me the saddest day of your life.